No! Where you going? Where you going? Can you say hi? What's this? Is this your book? Oh, you want to play, huh? You gonna dance? You made quite the mess with your books. You gonna read that one? Yeah, go ahead. What does that mean? He sees mommy. Goofball.
You put your arms up. Arms up.
Arms up. Yay. Should we really stump her? Where's your mouth? Good job!
Where are your toes? Where are your toes? She's like, they're back here.
She just points to her mouth?
No, I think she was looking at her foot.
Hey, Dylan. Dylan. Oh, you're going to play with your purse, huh?
Where's your ear, baby? Do you know where your ears are? Oh, that's a tough one. We haven't talked about that one a lot. I've been trying to get you to touch your nose for a while, but you just keep ignoring me.
So curious, what's in there?
Nothing! What's in there? Dylan, what does the cow say? Good job. What does the pig say?
La la.
La la. That's right. That's what your book says, the pig says.
Just like mom and her kidneys.
Mom and her kidneys?
My mom.
Oh.
Nope. You gonna go chase mommy? You gonna chase mom down the hall? Here she goes.
What if I come after you? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Oh.
No, turn this way. I'm gonna get you. Here she comes. I'm gonna get you. You say hi to Daddy? That means... Oh!